demanding a statement.
Honorable
to
Speaker,
appreciate the ministry.
yes, I'm trying to.
What is your question?
I want the people of Kenya to know that we appreciate what the CS is doing, and this organization also.
No, ask you a question.
Excuse me. Can you protect me from these guys, Speaker? The Speaker is asking a question.
On the members.
So,
on the members.
And Mr. Speaker, this is
you have an opportunity to ask to do that statement even later. It's kind of because of time. Just ask the question and then.
Honorable Speaker, as I finish, I want Kenyans to know that what the Cabinet Secretary and our team are doing, and this is very important for me and most of the Kenyans. And also, Honorable Speaker, I hope and believe that the CS is capable of solving the dispute between the doctors and her ministry. And thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Asante sana.
That you can give you some good guidance, and now you are still diverting from my advice. So let us. There was no question at all. So let us have Senator Onyonka, Richard.
Somebody I've known in my previous life, and I'm happy to see her here. The question, Madam CS, that I'm asking you is this. The NHIF Act has been repealed. You have several health facilities and health centers all over the country. Some of them who have not been paid for the last 5 years. Some of them have not been paid for the last 3 or whatever number of years. And what many of these Kenyans are asking is whether you have done an audit. And this audit is meant to give you the list of the outfits or health facilities or companies that have been providing these health services to our people. And if so, is it possible for you, for the simple purpose of accountability and transparency, to give the list within the regions where these companies come from, so that by the time you are transitioning to the Social Health Authority and you are transitioning with the healthcare fund, my suggestion, Mr. Speaker, is that this would make it easy for these Kenyans, many of them who are complaining and saying how they've never been paid and their things are being taken by auctioneers, and many of them have actually been disenfranchised. I hope the CS will be able to look at it and give us an answer on that.
Okay, let me get 2 more, then the CS can respond. What is your point of order, Senator for Kiambu County, Karungo?
Mr. Speaker, thank you for the opportunity. I am rising on a point of order 51C, 6C, that you had indicated that you might give the CS permission to talk on to give a statement on whatever is going. Some of us, we do have questions to ask that. So my question is, or seeking your indulgence, you probably give the CS this particular moment to give a statement. Probably the questions that we want to ask are in that statement.
I give a very clear guidance to Senator Karongo Dango that I wanted to give a few senators to ask supplementary questions on this subject matter, on this question. And then I'll give the CS an opportunity still now to make a statement. I don't know whether you are the one who is in a hurry or the CS or myself, and I'm not.
Honorable Speaker would have sorted, including Isiolo's process. We would like to know, in the transition period process, what is the department doing to make sure that the payments are being made, and what is the ministry itself as a mother ministry doing to pay the debts they owe to the defunct NHIF, including State Department of Public Service, for wiper amounting to millions of money, to make sure that those debts are paid before the process, the new process begins. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Yeah, Madam.
Before the new process begins. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Yeah, Madam Caesar.
Repealing of NHIF Act. I think it is now clear that we are in the transition phase, and years, and even others that are longer than the 5 years. What I want to agree that those are items that should actually be provided. But I also want to confirm that I know that pads are being provided by the Ministry of